Welcome back to the channel for another install video on our 22 WRX. I got a new transmission mount for the car. Let's just jump straight to the bench and we'll talk a little bit about it. So here we have the JDM STI Group N transmission mount. I know that was a little bit of mouthful, but that's what we got right here. So this is supposed to be a little bit different than the usdm STI Group N mount. The bushing in here is supposed to be a little bit stiffer on the JDM version. So it's kind of cool. This has a little STI badge on it, kind of cool. So this should be an easy swap out. I do have the car jacked up already, so let me get you guys set up underneath the car. We'll get the stock one taken out and we'll do a little comparison and see, like we'll do like a little wiggle test like with our thumbs here. Like, so I'm pushing on it now and there's no movement. So we'll do this unscientific test on the stock one once we get that off. So let me get you guys set up and we'll go from there. All right, so we're under the car. To locate the transmission mount, you can look for your transmission cross member here, and then it goes back, and then back there as well. These two bolts right here, this is our factory mount. And I'm telling you, just by like feeling it, it is pretty soft. So to get this off, we got a couple bolts. We got one here, one behind the exhaust there, these two there, and then two more on that side. And these two obviously here, and everything should just come off, and then we should have full access to the transmission mount. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get this brace off and we'll go from there. And just like that, the transmission member is taken off, and here is our stock trans mount. You can see just by it is bolted to the trans, so I can really move it, but this thing has a bunch of play in it. So we already did change out the bushings on the cross member in one of the previous videos, so I will link that in one of the corners. For when we did the transmission cross member bushings. So all that's left is our trans mount. We just have some 14 mils holding it on. We got 4 right here. So I'm just gonna zip these off real quick and then I'll meet you guys back at the bench and we'll compare the OEM versus the JDM Group N trans mount. We're back at the bench. We have the stock one off and the JDM Group N mount over here. They look identical as it is an OEM part. So this is the stock one. So just with like the wiggle test, I mean, you can see right there, there's a bunch of movement. It is soft to touch. So, I mean, this car has 4,000 miles on it. So this is how it comes brand new. A little soft, does have some movement, and this is what holds the transmission in place, guys. So let's check out what our upgrade is like. So no movement with the thumbs, and then this is it's a hard rubber, but it feels like a hard plastic. There's no give to this, so this is definitely going to be a solid upgrade. Really excited to get this put on. It's going to be just a subtle change with everything else that we've done to the car. This is just going to improve the driver feel, the feedback that we get. So this alone might not do a lot, but if you've seen the other videos that I will have a playlist at the end of this, if you do see those other videos, we've done quite a bit of installs on this car, a bunch of drivetrain mods, we have suspension. So this is just going to complement everything that we already have on the car. So let's get right under the car and let's get this reversed and put it right back on. This install, nice and easy. Once you get the car jacked up, just take that transmission cross member off, and then it's just 4 easy bolts to take off that mount and just swap it out. Now the install is going to be the same for all the mounts. So if you get an IAG mount, a parent mount, you get a USDM group end mount, or if you get the JDM one. The JDM one is a little bit stiffer than the USDM one, but that's all I got for you guys on this one. I picked up a couple parts on Black Friday, so stay tuned for some more install videos. Until next time, see you guys.